Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So Gram-Free is the best platform you can make money online. At Gram-Free you can make money online. If you need, so you can roll 5 times. Smart contract, you can sign a smart contract. Smart contract is signed every day. You can contract you can sign in a smart contract, risk contract, or standard contract. So risk contract is +4. If you lose one day, so your loss -8. If you sign in, you take plus 0.4. If you lose 0.8, you can roll it every single day. New contract. If you need to roll pre-roll, so you can roll it every time, every day, you can roll it every day, 5 times. Every single roll, you can roll it every single day 5 times. Every roll is 1 hour. You can roll it 1 hour later. Every single day 5 times. Or so if you need to upload video, you can upload it. If you need to buy lottery, you can buy it. If you buy one ticket, you win 20 gram up to 5,000 gram. That's perfect. The minimum withdrawal is 500 gram. So you can upload a video. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Gram-Free.